Hello all. Everyone knows me in the name of Lakshmi, a successful woman entrepreneur. To motivate other women, I just want to share you few things regarding my journey, how I started this business, and at which point I have started. As a normal woman, I finished my studies, I got married, and I was been in abroad for 5 years. Then I come back India, and I was searching for the job. So later on, I decided, why can't we do a business by own instead of going to the IT company? Why can't we go for to start a business? So I started my business where my ancestors were doing. My Dadaji, Nanaji were doing this clothing business. They are from Rangoon, Surat. They know this polishing, this pure silk saree, yarn coloring, this weaving. All these are my generation business. So even my mother used to sell the saris. So I'm talking about like 80s. My mother used to sell the sari. I don't want to go in this business, but 2014 May I started this, and so it was a very small amount. I started this business. Uh, I started with the salwar suits. I go to schools, I go to apartments to sell all this in community groups. At that time, WhatsApp was very popular. So we used to sell all this in a WhatsApp group. Slowly, 2014 May, we have done a branding. We have started and we have done a branding in a different name. It was going good. Like we used to dispatch the parcels like 5 parcel per day, 10 parcel per day. So like slowly it was started. 2020 has come. So everybody knows about 2020. We struggled a lot, no parcel service. So at that time, we have decided to come in a social media, like live shows. So 2020 September month, I have done my very first live show. I was a new mother. My younger son was like 2.5 months old baby. Only 3 people used to watch my live shows. 5, then it increased to 5, 10, 15, 20. My regular followers knows like how I started with 5 people. Now we are like all together, like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. All together, it is almost 1 million followers are there. All together, I'm just saying. So like this, from 5 parcel, we are dispatching like thousands of parcels all over India now. So that's how I've started this. 2014 May I've started, and we have started doing exhibitions as well, like before COVID. Once this COVID has come, we have stopped that exhibition also. 2015 May, we go to shopping malls, we go to apartments, we do a exhibition. That apartment crowd will buy the sari. In malls May, the floating crowd will buy the sari. So like that we were done an exhibition. 2015 May we have started the exhibition. So 15, 16, 17 until like this COVID, we have done a lot of exhibitions in Bangalore. 2020, after this COVID, we have started live shows and we got such a wonderful response within a year. Within a year, we got 100K followers in Facebook. And after that, recently, I have come into Instagram. Now it is almost like 365K followers in Instagram. It's been more than 1 year now in Instagram. And YouTube channel also we have started. Same like that. I have started by 2014. Then exhibition is my next experience. Then live show is the next experience in this journey. Then now we have set up a team for everything, like photography separate team, editing separate team, accounting separate team. So now we have separate teams are handling. 2022 May. Yes, 2022 May we have started a shop, a small shop. You now same shop only. It's been like 2 years we completed. You all know Ramurthy Nagar Kanti Sweets first floor shop. Still we are in that shop. So this year we thought, why can't we give a try an expo? Like everybody says that Ramurthy Nagar is so far, ma'am. Why can't you do an expo in why can't you open a shop in Malleshwaram, Vijayanagar? So all these places they want me to do like open a shop. So before opening a shop, I just wanted to check how people are recognizing Nidarshana sarees. So today is third day I am taking this video. Now time is almost like it's 11:50 now. It's a wonderful response. So first day, we due to huge crowd, we closed the hall, like we closed the exhibition. So outside 300-400 people were waiting to come inside. But if I allow that 400 people inside, there are thousands of people inside the exhibition hall. So we forcefully stopped that day 1 exhibition. And day 2, still the crowd was too heavy but manageable. We shifted the billing counter, but the crowd was okay. I mean, the crowd was manageable that day. And third day, same like day 1 and day 2, you didn't disappointed me. It was a very superb expo. Even I enjoyed meeting many people. So 90% of the people who came here are Nidarshana Sarees followers. It's 10% people who don't know who is Nidarshana Saree. I'm so happy with your love, support you are giving me. So many of them have taken a photograph with me. I feel so happy and blessed. And the same blessings and support I need throughout my lifetime. So we are planning for next expos. Don't know where to do next expo, but very soon we will be releasing the dates and venue, because many of them are asking me do it in Rajaji Nagar, Malleshwaram. So these two places, many of them were recommending me. This is a small brief about my journey. Now everybody is recognizing Nidarshana Sarees. I'm so happy. It's a thanks note to everyone. It's a thanks giving video to everyone. I want to thank my whole team as well in this point. My staffs, my editing team, my photography team. So everybody were asking me about the photography and editing team. So they all in-house team. We have not recruited any of them from the outside. We didn't outsource any of them. It's all in-house team. All credits goes to my entire Nidarshana Sarees team. It's a 1 month before plan, this expo. Suddenly I thought, okay, chalo, we will do an expo. So I announced the expo 1 month back. Then continuous journey for me. Like I have to go this place, that place. I have to source this material, that material. Karke different types of material I have sourced. And these girls, as I already mentioned, tirelessly they were working a month. 30 days they were packing the boxes. Like it's more than 400-500 boxes they have packed. 20,000 plus sarees we have brought. So as I already mentioned, your love and support, and your more than love and support, the blessings are needed throughout this life. Okay, so thank you so much once again. I'm so happy taking this video. Stay tuned for the dates and next venue where it is happening in Bangalore. Thank you so much.